Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun.
Forget just saying will. Today, we're unlocking 2 smarter ways to talk about the future. If you're ready to upgrade your fluency, let's jump right in. Certain verbs pair with a to-infinitive to show clear intentions or commitments. Guarantee. Our service guarantees to improve your network speed within 48 hours. Promise. She promised to deliver the presentation slides before midnight. Resolve. He resolved to learn French by next summer. Intend. We intend to launch a mentorship program in September. Undertook. The developers undertook to fix all critical bugs by Friday. Use the present simple or present continuous with certain verbs followed by a to-infinitive to express personal aims, intentions, and expectations. Aim. I aim to finish the report by Friday, or I'm aiming to finish the report by Friday. Expect. We expect to launch the product next month, or we're expecting to launch the product next month. Hope. She hopes to join the team soon, or she's hoping to join the team soon. Intend. They intend to expand the business this year, or they're intending to expand the business this year. Plan. I plan to study abroad next semester, or I'm planning to study abroad next semester. Propose. He proposes to revise the policy, or he's proposing to revise the policy. Want. We want to improve our communication skills, or we're wanting to improve our communication skills. In journalism and casual speech, be looking plus to infinitive signals planning. Here are some examples. They're looking to expand into 3 new markets by 2026. I'm looking to invest in renewable energy startups. The City Council is looking to improve public transit routes next year. Now it's your turn. Choose one structure and write your own sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more advanced English insights. See you next time.